Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 3016 Brookdale. This is apartment D. This is on the second floor, so you're high above the street, giving you some good views from the windows. We enter into the property. We have wooden floors, lots of light shining in, and this is, of course, the living room. Very spacious. This is a very spacious floor plan. Let's see, you have central heat here. And see a balcony space out there, and then on the opposite side you have a full kitchen. Nice quartz counter, lots of cabinet space, microwave, gas range. There is a garbage disposal. And again, lots of lights here. This would be a light right over the dining room table if you decide to put a table there. And then, of course, you have a balcony area looking over some greenery and the rest of the neighborhood. All right, we're going to turn around here so you get another view of this big living room. And let's go into the hallway. Here, you can see there's laundry hookups. So if you have your own machines, you can put those in there, lots of space for that. Talk to an agent if you want to negotiate getting a set of washer and dryer. I think we can, ReLISTO is happy to engage those conversations. Just gonna move in here. Again, another nicely sized bedroom. There is lots of light in here, as well as ceiling fan. There's ceiling fans in each of the rooms. Closet space right here. And nice vanity tub shower combination. Let's look. And so nice, great for linens and towels. Let's go into the primary bedroom. Now we call it the primary because it not only has closet space right here, and these are very good sized closets, window treatments, and this is another nicely sized room. You have a shower and then a full ensuite bathroom. And then let's turn around here and give you another view. And then last but not least, there's one other bedroom right here. And then here we go. All right, very good. So again, 3016 Brookdale. This property is being listed by ReLISTO. It's available now. There is parking available, so let the agent know if you're interested in that. And again, we're showing this property. This is February of almost March of 2022. This is just about to come on the market. See the links below if it's still active. And we look forward to seeing you and getting you moved into this really fantastic property. All right, cheers. Bye-bye.